Hi everyone, I'm Annette Morris, and welcome to a more adjusted home decor and DIY. If you're new here, hi, join in the family here, my Moore family. Now, this video is one that I did this weekend. My family and I went to Hammond, Indiana to visit the welcome center that they have, and they had there a surprise when I got there. They had on display a Christmas Story. And if you're familiar with that movie, then you will enjoy this visit. Okay, sit back and relax and enjoy. I hope you enjoyed seeing this tour of the Christmas store in Hammond, Indiana. If you're close by or you in Hammond, You should stop by, take the children, you'll totally enjoy it. It's a great family affair, and just be able to see a Christmas story on display. Comment down below if you saw anything you like, and I'll see you next time.